Today we're going to cook with turmeric. Turmeric is a fabulous spice. Now, most of you will know that it is a relative of the ginger family. It is very well known and lauded for its health benefits, and that's because it has a really high percentage of curcumin in it, which is linked to all sorts of health benefits and goodness. But of course, with all things, you have to consider the dosage. How much turmeric you need every day to feel good and for it to actually have a measurable benefit depends, well, frankly, on what the state of your health is like, right? Probably the best way to get a kick out of turmeric and use out of it is to pop it in something curried. The other thing to tell you is that there are two kinds of turmeric. Firstly, there's raw turmeric, which looks very much like ginger, but obviously has that lovely day glow yellow. That is great for porridge, actually. I stick it in my porridge every morning. It's also great in fresh spice paste, and you can make those fresh and freeze them, of course. Ground turmeric is better for everyday use. It's a little bit milder, but it still gives you that beautiful yellow color. And actually, turmeric in India is used to give dishes that lovely yellow glow. It's a brilliant natural colorant, which also means that it stains everything. So when you're using turmeric, be careful of your worktop. If it spills on the worktop, your worktop goes yellow, the quickest way to deal with that is just some decent worktop cleaner, right? Not a problem. If you get it on your fingers and your nails, bigger problem. The way to deal with that, because turmeric is oil soluble, you can literally rub a bit of cooking oil on your fingers and then wash your fingers and nails off with some dish liquid, dishwasher liquid of some sort, whatever you use in the kitchen. And if they're still yellow, then frankly, you probably need a new manicure. I hope that's useful, and let's get cracking with the recipe.